tax that was put on tea imported to the colonies by King George. The Boston Tea Party was a raid by American colonists on British ships in Boston Harbor. It took place on December 16, 1773. A group of citizens disguised as Native Americans armed with tomahawks threw the contents of 342 chests of tea into the bay in retaliation over a tax which had been placed on tea coming into the colonies imported by King George.
It was a cold, rainy day on December 16, 1773. 1,000 of angry colonists gathered up at the Old South Church in Boston, Massachusetts. This is the first steps toward freedom of our great nation, the United States of America.
Friends, countrymen, all England and crazy King George III are asking for taxes on our favorite drink, tea!
Why do we have to pay taxes to England, which is thousands of miles away?
That's ridiculous! We need to do something about this. England has never done anything for us, and now they want to take our money.
Everything is taxed!
No more taxes! Sugar is taxed. Newspapers are taxed.